So this is our Tunetable website, which is an IA for DJs, to find good mashup songs, for them to create remixes. So the persona I have is a 25-year-old who graduated from Arizona State University. His occupation is a DJ and he works for an EDM club. And his goals are to improve his DJ skills, to grow his online social media following, and to expand his library for future DJ venues. He likes working at frat parties, at clubs, at raves and music festivals, especially large venues. Some of his frustrations are that he's new to professional DJing. He's limited in his EDM genre, and he's trying to create new transitions and mixes to play at clubs and parties every week. So when he's going through this app, he sees that he's supposed to search a song, artist, or album to get a list of songs for his next remix. He can check off different boxes for different BPM matches, lyrics, keys, and genres. So he checks off the matches he wants to have. And if you want to click about, you can see our mission statement, who we are, and our team, just to get to know us a little more. Now back to the search. So he checked off the filters he wants, and now he's going to press enter. So he's going to search an artist. He knows that this artist, Lil Baby, is very popular in the clubs and parties he performs at, and he wants to make more remixes with Lil Baby songs, but doesn't know where to start. So he searches Lil Baby, and here are the songs that come up. So these are three of Lil Baby's most popular songs at parties. And we're actually coding an algorithm that displays the most commonly clicked on songs. So it does a bit of machine learning in that aspect. And then he can select which song he wants. So say he selects Pure Cocaine. Okay, so now he selects it, and it's going to give it matches. So here we see that Pure Cocaine has a BPM of 127. It's in the key 3A, which is the key for DJs rather than like having it in A or B. It has the album cover just for familiarity, and it says we've gotten 2 results. So if we look at the results, we have 2 results here. And look, so for Fiend, the BPM does not match, as it's 148 here and 127 here. However, there is a match for the lyrics, and the key is similar, so there's a check mark there. This one also does. So if I click on Fiend, I can go to the details, and it's gonna compare them. So first we're looking at the lyric match. So we see that at this timestamp for Fiend and at this timestamp for Pure Cocaine, they both use this specific lyric. So now he knows maybe he can mash up the songs at that timestamp and it would flow together really well for a remix. He can click play here to listen to that snippet at that timestamp, and that's a potential way that he can really mash up the songs together. Now let's look at the key. The key matches because both of these keys are compatible. They'll sound good together. These genres match because they're both hip-hop, and the BPM does not exactly match because one is about 20 beats per minute faster, but it still says 85%. And the color is going to be how well the song would integrate. So now he clicks the other option to compare Pure Cocaine with Feel the Fire. He found 2 lyrics matches, so there's 2 different spots where the lyrics line up that he can use, and you see the timestamps and the play button here. We can see that the key does not match. They're very different. However, the genre matches and the BPM matches, as they are 95% compatible. So we're actually creating an algorithm to determine whether a BPM matches or not, whether the songs would feasibly be able to be mashed together. And we're also creating a little program that can check if the keys match using some simple music logic. So we can see that the percentage here is green, it's 95%. So this mashup would work well together. So as a result of doing this, our persona realizes that Fiend and Field of Fire would match well because of the BPM, and he can mix them up at these lyrics because they have the same lyrics at these points. So here now our DJ can look at the different songs and mash them up together, but we just gave him some ideas on how to mash them up and on what basis he can match them up on, but it's his job to do the creative integration and production of the music.